Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Luce Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up and turn that notification bell on because you don't want to miss any of our future videos. I'm uploading on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at the moment, but with this being a super exciting collection and like totally up my street, we are going to be doing some back-to-back videos, baby boy, baby girl. So today is going to be a full reveal of the full I Heart Revolution and Looney Tunes collection, and then we're going to have 3 days back-to-back, the next 3 days of me putting the full collection to the test. I'm so pumped, so excited. So make sure you have that notification bell turned on and make sure that you check them back every single day to see me review the full collection. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to go through prices and show you everything, and then tomorrow we'll get started with reviews, swatches, all that kind of good stuff. Okay? Okay. So first up we have the large palette. So this is the Looney Tunes and I Heart Revolution large palette. This retails for £20, $26, €21.99, and then if you're wondering about Australian dollars, it retails for 40 Australian dollars. Let's see what's inside. So on the back, I absolutely love that it says, "That's all, folks." Like, this collection is just so me, like so me, and this palette is beautiful. So the inside matches the outer packaging, and then the inside looks like this. I'm not gonna lie, I am so excited to get this on my eyeballs. Oh, how beautiful it's this. I will definitely be reviewing this one tomorrow because I just cannot wait to try it. So obviously it says, "What's up, Doc?" and the mirror, and then this is just what the actual palette looks like. The shimmers look unbelievable. Like, this is such a stunning palette, and I feel like it's got such a nice variation of shimmers and mattes. If anything, it's actually got more mattes than it has shimmers, and you all know that's what I prefer. I just feel like you can get more looks if you have more mattes than if you have more shimmers, but you could even do like a neutrally kind of look as well. You can do blue, you can do pink, you can do purple, you can do more orangey. Oh, I just think this one's absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to try that. So next up we have 5 mini palettes. One of them is a face palette and then 4 of them are eyeshadow palettes, and each of them are after a character, which I think is so clever. So first up we have Bugs Bunny, which just looks like this. So this retails for, before I forget, £8, $12, €9.99, and again if you're interested in Australian dollars, it retails for $16 in Australian ones. I've zoomed you in, I feel like you were too far away. So yeah, first up we have a Bugs Bunny, which obviously is green, and then the inside looks like this. The thing that I absolutely love about these palettes, let me just show you, the inside has a mirror, which is amazing for such a small palette to have a mirror in it, but each of them has like a different saying on it that relates to the character, which I think is genius. So this is "What's Up, Dark," which obviously matches the bigger palette as well. So that's what that one looks like, and then the actual palette itself looks like this. So very, very Bugs Bunny. There's 4 mattes and then the rest are shimmers. This one and this one look like a really foily, really, really pigmented shimmer. Actually cannot wait to try this. So that is Bugs Bunny's palette. The only thing that I will say is I don't have a clue what eye look to do with this. So that'll be really exciting and really push me out of my comfort zone when I do my review on that one. So that is Bugs Bunny's palette. Next up we have Tweety Pie. Oh my god, I think she's absolutely adorable. So she has a little pink palette, and obviously the inside just matches the outer packaging. And then obviously for hers it says, "I taught a putty cat." Oh, I just butchered that, but you know what I mean. I just think it's such an adorable palette. I love that they all have their own little sayings on it as well. And then this is just what the palette looks like. Again, so fitting for her, the pinks and the yellows, but also it has like a nice like little bit of like a neutral side of it as well. So you could go more pink, but you also could do a really beautiful like neutral look of it as well. So I can imagine myself getting quite a lot of use out of hers. Taz's palette, oh my god, this is just such a me palette. The purple to match my YouTube, but also the inside, I'm sorry, but that's just Lucy. That is absolutely stunning. And then in typical Taz style, obviously has like his little saying, which is just like gobbledygook, you know what I mean? So in a little picture of him on the side, I just love that it has a mirror in it. So it's like so good for such a small palette. It has 4 mattes, the rest are all shimmers, and they are just a bit of me. It's just a bit of me, I'm not gonna lie. And then this is what it looks like up close. The names, everything just matches so well. I love this bottom one, which is just typical Taz. Yeah, I just think that is absolutely adorable. It feels like such a throwback to my childhood. Any 90s kids, I think you'll get it. And then the last one for the mini actual eyeshadow palette, the other one that we have is like a highlighter palette. This one is Sylvester, can't pronounce it, Sylvester. This one is actually stunning as well. This one, if you're more into like your neutrally palettes, this one and Taz will definitely be the ones for you. But it's got a little pop of flavour in it. Just a little pop of flavour. So his is Tucking Tash? That could have come across very wrong. You nearly caught me out there. But this is what his looks like. Again, the names just match him perfectly. Puddy Cat, Cheer, Sylvester. I love that it has that pop of like a warm undertone to it because it makes it really stand out compared to Taz. I would get so much use out of this palette. It's a very red, hot, sexy, neutral palette, and it's just a bit of me. Next up we have Lola's highlighter palette. So the same price as the other ones, but this one comes with 4 highlighters inside. It's so cute, and it's all like embossed as well. Like the packaging is just really, really nice for this. And then this is what the inside looks like. I love that there's lighter ones. I love that there's deeper ones as well. It says proud to be me as her little saying. And then this is what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. We've got like a white icy one. We've got a more pink toned one. We've got a bright kind of darker gold one, and we also have a really bronzy one as well. But obviously you could use these as a really shimmery blusher, you could use them as eyeshadows, whatever you want to use them for, but obviously it is a highlighter palette, so you can use that for that as well. I'm not finished, by the way. I still have more goodies to show you. Next up we have lip oils. You all know I Heart Revolution Flintstones lip oil. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm absolutely buzzing that they've done Looney Tunes lip oils. I just think it's just so cute. So we obviously have them after the different characters. So we have Tweety, Sylvester, Bugs and Taz. Let me just check the prices for this. So these retail for £5 each, $8, €6.99, or again, if in Australian dollars, it's 10 Australian dollars. I don't know if I'm saying that right for Australia, but you know what I mean. So each of them have a different scent, which was very similar to the Flintstones ones. So Tweety has a strawberry scent. I'll show you what they look like open. The packaging, 10 out of 10. I just think it's so cute. And it's a little rollerball one, just like the Flintstones one as well. This smells, I don't know if like this is like a northern thing, but do you know when you used to go to the market when you were a kid and you used to get like them big balls that used to come on like a little key ring in like a cord, and it used to smell like certain things? I used to always get the strawberry one. Anything fruity scent is like my thing. It smells like that, and it just throws me back to being a kid. And you'd clip it onto you and you'd hit the ball and it obviously would bounce back. Good old days, good old days. But that's what that reminds me of. So it's like a little throwback because it's Tweety Pie, but also a throwback because of the scent as well. Bugs Bunny, we have a blueberry scent, and this is what Bugs Bunny one looked like. And let's have a little sniff because I haven't sniffed this one yet. Oh, do you know what? I actually don't like blueberries. It's not really a fruit I enjoy, but that smells so nice. I just love anything fruity. I just can't help myself. And then we have Taz, which is grape. Oh, I am going to love this. I love anything grape scented. I just think it smells so nice. This is what Taz's look like. I honestly am so obsessed with the packaging. I feel like it's been done so well. Oh, yeah, it's grape. Oh, I do think so far though, I think Tweety is winning. I think Tweety's strawberry one is my favourite so far. Let's smell the last one, which is Sylvester, which is a mango scent. They're just spoiling me right now with all of these fruity flavours. Oh my god, that's so cute. Ooh, okay. That smells really nice. It smells like something, I know it smells like mango, but it smells like something else really familiar. That's nice. I must admit, Tweety's is still my favourite. I think it's because it gives me a little throwback to my childhood, that strawberry scent. But that is really nice. I think it would probably go maybe Tweety, Joint. I can't pick between them two. Joint with them two, and then the mango one, because that one's just elite. Tweety's is just, smells so good. We also have some accessories in this collection as well. So we have like a little, oh my god, a little carrot brush bag, if I'm not hitting myself with it, we have a sponge collection, which is so different. I've never ever known Revolution do this before. And we also have a cosmetic bag as well. You all know I am a sucker for a cosmetic bag. Kind of help myself. But let's start with this first. So this is the Looney Tunes and I Heart Revolution Bugs Carrot Brush Set. This is actually adorable. Let me get prices up for you. So this retails for £15, $20, €15.99, and then 30 Australian dollars. This is the most adorable thing ever. This bag is going to be so good for travelling to put your brushes in because it's obviously the perfect height for it. Obviously you get the cute little carrot bag, which is just adorable. But inside we also have 4 brushes and one of them is a double-ended. So the first one that we have looks like this. The colour and everything's really, really nice. And then this is just what the actual brush looks like the packaging. I just feel like it's been done so well for this Looney Tunes collection. We also have this more flat applicator brush as well. We also have a fluffy brush, which you all know I just hoard them. I just absolutely love fluffy brushes. So that's that one. And then the last one at least is the double-ended one. So this is just what it looks like. Obviously one end is more angled, so this would be good for eyeliner, but it'd also be good obviously for your brows. And then the other end is also a spoolie, which again would make it really good for brows, soap brows, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, that is what comes in the little carrot brush bag, and then it just goes back inside. It feels like a really padded bag to look after your brushes, and there's obviously more room for you to put more of your own brushes in there as well. Let's test it with a I Heart Revolution elf brush to see whether a big fluffy brush will fit in. Oh my god, it does. And there's still more room. This would be so good for travelling. Okay, I Heart Revolution, come through. So yeah, that is the little brush bag. One of the things that really excited me was this sponge set, because I've just never seen Revolution or I Heart Revolution do this before, and I thought it was so clever. And it's nice because it also incorporates some other characters that we haven't seen in the collection, like their own palettes or their own lip oil. So it was really nice to see other characters as well. This is obviously the 4 sponge set. This retails for £12, $14, €12.99, or $24 Australian. And that's just what it looks like. So obviously we have, I'll get them out because they're all different shapes, which I think is really cool. So this is just what they look like. So obviously the first one that we have is a purple one, which is like a normal shaped sponge. The second one is like a fuzzy sponge. And that's really good for powder. So that's like a flat-sided fuzzy sponge. I really hope that you can see there. You can definitely see the fuzziness of it up close, and it has that flat edge. It feels so nice, but they're really soft. And then we have the green one, which is so unique because obviously it has a flat edge this side, but it also has it that side, but then it also has the pointed edge. This would be really good if you're wanting to use powder, to carve out your contour. It would be really good for that. Or if you want to get powder, or even powder here, or a really sharp line with your concealer. And then I always use this to get right in for my concealer there. It smells really nice. I just noticed it when I was holding it up to my nose. Super, super soft. And then last but not least, we have our little baby one. This, again, it has the brand and everything on it. I just think it's been done so well. And this is just a little baby sponge. And then, of course, last but not least, we have the cosmetic bag, if I can spit my words out, which just looks like this. I love the little tag that's on it as well. I think that's so cute. And this retails for £8, $12, €9.99, and then 16 Australian dollars. So yeah, that is everything that is in the collection. What do you think? I'm honestly so impressed with the way that they've done this collection, and also the packaging, and doing different things like the little carrot brush bag. I'm sorry, that is adorable. Doing the little sponge set and doing it with additional characters as well. I just think it's been done so well. And I hope we will see you tomorrow for the start of our reviews. I think I'll tell you what I've got planned, because I've wrote it all down. I've had this planned for a long time because I've been so pumped for this collection. This is my plan. So tomorrow I'm hoping to review the big palette, some of the sponges, the brush set, a lip oil, and the highlighter palette. The day after that, I'm going to review Bugs' palette and Taz's palette in one video and do one eye of each. And then last but not least, on the last day, I'm going to be reviewing the Sylvester and Tweety palette and doing again one eye per palette. So yeah, that is my plan. I'm literally filming this reveal video Thursday the 28th of July, because I'm so pumped to start getting the videos pumped out next week for you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for the start of my reviews. Don't forget to hit subscribe. If you'd like to join my Patreon, it's all linked down below. Love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow for my first review. I'm so excited. Love you so much. Bye.